This is a place where you can feel the presence of the past, where the spirits of the desert whisper on the wind. We've arrived at Skull Rock, a natural wonder sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and rain. It's a testament to the power of erosion, a stark reminder that even the hardest rock is no match for the patient hand of time. Look closely, and you'll see the skull's hollow eyes staring out over the desert, a haunting reminder of the cycle of life and death that plays out in this unforgiving landscape. But Skull Rock is more than just a spooky spectacle. It's a symbol of the desert's ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Generations of travelers have been drawn to its eerie beauty, leaving behind their own stories etched into the surrounding rocks.